Hello, Afton students and families. This is Mrs. Allen, the Director of College and Career Readiness. My job is to help you to be successful. Part of that success is getting you ready for your next steps. If college is your next step, dual credit is a great way to get started on that. So if you're in marketing, personal finance, or accounting, you can get dual credit through Missouri State. Why dual credit and what is dual credit? Dual credit is where you earn college credit for just attending Afton High School classes, getting a C or higher. For Missouri State, high school students pay only $70 per credit hour. If you were on Missouri State University's campuses, it would be $210 per credit hour, so you do save a lot of money. If you are free and reduced lunch, you can, with a 3.0 unweighted GPA, you can take up to 6 credit hours and you will get a dual credit scholarship which will take care of your tuition. Dual credit also saves you time. 95% of colleges and universities accept dual credit. Every credit, every course means less that you will have to do in college. Again, dual credit at Afton, we have these particular classes offered. Accounting is 1 credit hour, which in Missouri State is ACC 109. For marketing 2, you get 3 credit hours, which is MKT 150. Personal finance is 3 credit hours, which is FIN 150. How will this transfer? There is a national database provided by UConn that will let you be able to see if it transfers. Or you can contact your institution if you know where you're going to see how this will transfer. Or you can contact your counselor or myself and we can see how we can help you with this transfer. So how do you do it? First, you need to create or update your dual enrollment account. It is dualcredit.missourystate.edu. Go to that website. If you never created an account with Missouri State, that means you never took a dual credit course before, you will need to create a new one. If you've already taken a course, let's say you've taken personal finance and now you're taking marketing 2, you just need to log in and update your dual enrollment account. Select your course for dual credit and hit submit. Once that is done, your parents or guardians will receive an email from what you put in to the account that says yes, they approve it, or no, you do not approve it. Registration will not be considered complete until you have your parent or guardian consent. They will receive an email with a link that says that they approve it. If they do not receive it after you have submitted your request, after a day or two, check your spam or junk mail to make for certain that there's not a message from Dual Enroll. Again, the website is dualcredit.missourystate.edu/current students. After you complete your registration, you will receive a Bear Pass number or an M number. This means that your account has been created. You will receive a confirmation email saying you successfully registered and to activate the account. Once you activate it, then you have access to your entire Missouri State school records, including how to pay, how to access their account, their library, and the instructions are listed there below. Important dates. Fall registration is already open. You need to register and complete the application by September the 10th. Your parents need to agree with their consent by September the 18th. The 21st is the last day to drop a full credit course with 100% refund, and then you can see the rest of those dates. If you have any questions, please contact me, Mrs. Allen, at mallen@athensschools.net or call me at 314-681-2686. Thank you and have a great day.